Hi, I'm Tanvi from WPCL. Today I wanted to show you how to add SMTP server with WordPress WooCommerce and with SiteGround, Hostinja and Bluehost. First, you need to log in your WordPress website. Then you will click to plugins, then add new. After clicking here, you need to install SMTP mail SMTP. After I already have installed, just I need to active this one. First, I will active this one. Okay, after activate this one, you will see it will be redirected to your wizard. Otherwise, you already have, if you already have installed this one, then you will go here. You'll go here and you can see the option, the SMTP left side. Okay, setting this one, setting this one, and you can see the option, the wizard, launch wizard, setup wizard. Okay, I'll click on let's get start. Then you won't click anywhere, just scroll down here, you will click the other SMTP. Okay, and then save and continue with this one. After going to here, you will need this one, this op system, this option, this MTP option. Okay, if you have Hostinja, then you will click on email. After login your Hostinja account, then scroll down, click on mailbox. After clicking here, you can see the left side the setup option, connect apps and device. Then you can see host name, what we will need, SMTP host. Just I will copy this one and paste it here, and TLS I will choose TLS for Hostinja, and TLS 93. They have SSL and TLS both on 93. And email, your email address must be, you will add your email address and email password. I have copied the password here, I'll paste here, and email address I will set up this one here, this one here. Okay, then you will continue this one, and this is your, this you will add your from email from here. Just I'll add no replay, then 700. If you, and you already, if you have Bluehost, then you'll go here, then you click email account, then you click to manage, then you will click to connect in right side, configure, under configure connect device. After going to here, you can see your option in, after scroll down, this is username and password. You would already know about your password, and port 93 like Hostinja. This one port you will change from here. Okay, it's easy to change. And your email server, you will click here, they will provide you everything here have. And another one, if you have SiteGround server. Okay, SiteGround server, you will log in your SiteGround, then you will go site tools. Then if you want to, if you need to click email under account, then you will click on three dot menu, then you will click, to mail configuration. After clicking here, you can see the like the pop-up. Then must be, you will click here manual settings, and you will get all everything here. Okay, and if you copy this one, just go to ChatGPT. Just you will ask them, I need SMTP host name. They will suggest you. Okay, and their SMTP port is for 465. I will go here, SSL and 465 automatic, and server name you will check ChatGPT, and they will suggest you mail and WPCL. Okay, this is server name, and after doing all of them, you will continue. If you face any problem, just message me, I will help you. Okay, and continue this one, and it will be work successfully. Don't forget password.